Hello friends, welcome back to our Tsinfo YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to disable attachments in SharePoint. When working with the SharePoint Online list, by default the attachments feature is enabled to upload the files from the local device. However, you might be disable the attachment feature to restrict the data like upload files and manage the permission for the target audience as per our needs. Now I would like to show you how to disable attachments in SharePoint Online list. Here you can see this is my SharePoint Online list like project tracker. Inside this I have added some data based on the different column types. Here you can see whenever the user adds a new item to the SharePoint Online list, by default the attachment column is enabled. In the same way you can also get the attachments fields from the show hide columns option. Here click on the show hide column option and select the attachments field, then click on the apply button. Now you can see here attachments column is added to the SharePoint Online list. Suppose you click on the attachments feature, it will redirect you to the local device where you select the specific file. Then click on the open button. Then click on the edit all option. Then click on save button. Now you can see you will get the attachments column value. However, we need to disable the attachments column in the SharePoint Online list. For that, select the gear icon. Here select the list settings under the SharePoint section. In the settings window, click on the advanced settings. Here you can see by defaultly attachments field is enabled. Now click on the disable button. Now click on the OK button. Once click on the OK button, it will give the confirmation window like this. Now click on the OK button. Now go back to the SharePoint Online list. And check whether attachments field is available or not. Here you can see the attachment field is disabled or removed. Now click on the new button to add a new item. Here you can see the attachments field is removed or disabled. Similarly, you can also check whether exiting attachments is available or not. Just click on the exiting item. Here you can see the exiting attachments also not available. Yes friends, this is all about how to disable attachments in SharePoint Online list. I hope guys you like this video. To give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate and Power BI. Thank you.